Just getting ready, day one, tour of the Highlands, about 180k. Chris getting organised with these new funky glasses, wow. About 2,780 metres. Finish at Aviemore after doing Glen Sheath, the Lecht, Cairngorm. Sun is shining, blue skies.